Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I want to share with you a new starter kit from Magic Gel. And you all know Magic Gel is my favorite system. It's my go-to builder system for all of my clients. Once I tried Magic Gel builders, I switched from my other builders that I was using like Fusion, Moray, all of those. They just don't compare to Magic Gel. So if you guys are looking for a good system, try out the Magic Gel system. Of course, you have to be a professional to use them. And same with this kit, if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it at Ole Nail Supply, and I'll put the link for their store down in the description. Now, this Acrygel starter kit is perfect to try out all of the different colors, and you can figure out which ones are your favorite, and then you're able to order those in bigger sizes if you like. But so I'm going to get started right away. So to start with this kit, like I said, it's an Acrygel starter kit. It's a new self-leveling Acrygel, stronger and more durable. You get no heat spikes, extreme strength, perfect for long nails, self-leveling, most perfect shades and shimmers and creams. And retail value for this is $294.63. For a limited time, you can get 50% off, and it's now a $147. So if you're wanting to buy it, think about purchasing it soon so you can get that sale price. That's awesome. It's a great value. So getting into the box. So this is everything that you get in the kit. There's a whole lot in here, and I'm just going to move the box aside and I'm going to pull each Acrygel out. And it also does come with the Magic Gel nail guard. It's the tackless hyper shine top coat. This is such a great top coat. This top coat goes so well over white. It doesn't yellow white. It is perfect for over stamping. It is a very shiny top coat, so I'm glad that it came with that. It's always a bonus to get that top coat. And now I'm just going to move the box aside, and we will look at every Acrygel builder, and I'll show you those colors. So this kit also has the silicone thin base in the clear, and this is the no lift base gel, and I use this all the time on my clients and we don't get any lifting. I also use the Magic Gel primer that isn't in this kit, but the silicone thin base is, so that's really good, as well as the hyper shine top coat. So the first one we'll look at is blush. Now this is a self-leveling Acrygel sculpting builder, and it is camouflage with a soft pink tone. So I'm going to open it up here and show you how pretty. And then I'm going to swatch each one because you can't see the true color of the camouflage builder unless you do. So it's really a nice consistency. It is self-leveling, so it's not too thick. It's just kind of perfect consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna grab a swatch stick right away and swatch this one. So to swatch these builders, I'm gonna use the number 7 Flawless Sculpting Brush. Perfect brush for applying these. The nice thing about these, because they are self-leveling, when you're working with a client, you can turn their nail upside down and let gravity help you. So there's blush. It's a beautiful pink. Okay, moving on to the next one. So the next one we'll look at is Romantic Cool. Again, it's a camouflage builder, and it says with cool tone. And there's that one. And I will compare them all as I go so you can see the difference in the colors, but this is a really nice one as well, so I'll swatch this one. So before I swatch, I should show you the photo. I just did a client's nails with this Acrygel, and you can see that up on the screen. It's just a really bright, beautiful pink. then I'm just gonna tip it over and let it self-level a little better. So there's the Romantic Cool. And I'm just gonna grab the first one I did, the blush, just to show you the difference. So I've got the Romantic Cool here, and there's the blush. So the Romantic Cool is just a little bit softer, as you can see. Both really nice pinks. So this one is called Elegance with neutral dusty pink tone. You can see up on the screen, I just did a client's nails. She just wanted completely natural looking nails, and we used this. It was really nice. You can do a slip layer first, which I do on a client's nails, and then you can build on that. So this is Elegance, and I think what I'll do is at the very end I will show you them all together, and you can see the different shades of the pinks. And there is some other Acrygels in this kit that aren't pink, so I'll put them all together at the end and we'll look at them. But anyways, that one's really nice too, just more of a muted pink, I would say, if anything. So this one is Baby Pink with soft pink tone. So there's the Baby Pink, really nice, really soft. So with the Baby Pink, I did a set of nails as well with that, and you can see that up on the screen. So you can see that the colors, the camouflage coverage is a little different with each one, and they're all very pretty and all different so far. This one is Romantic Warm with warm tone. Romantic Warm. This one is Cream Puff with soft neutral tone. There is Cream Puff. So this Crystal Shine is a clear with tiny glitter in it. Wait till you see it. It is beautiful. Again, self-leveling Acrygel, and it's a sculpting builder too. I think the camera picks it up. Look at the glitter in there. Stunning. So let's watch that one as well. There's the crystal shine. It's very beautiful. It just reminds me of tiny little diamonds in there. Just stunning. So this one is Swiss white. So it's a camouflage bright white. And there it is. There's the Swiss white. This is the last Acrygel in the kit, and this is Swiss white shine. So it's got tiny glitter again in the white. It's really pretty. There it is. Let's see if we can get the camera to pick it up a little bit. You can see there, once I swatch it, you'll be able to see better. You can see there's tiny glitter in that white. There's the Swiss white shine. Hopefully you guys can pick up that shimmer in it. It is really nice. So now I'm just gonna grab the rest of the swatches and we'll compare all of the pinks and the other ones right away. So I've got all the swatches in front of me, and you can see they're all different shades of pink in the Acrygels, and of course the crystal clear shine and the Swiss white shine, and then the normal Swiss white, and you can see that glitter in that one. But you've got like the deeper pinks and maybe more softer, more muted, a little lighter pink, but they are all different. The closest ones I would say, I'll just try and get it in here good. The closest two I would say would be the Romantic Warm and the Cream Puff, but they are still different. Hopefully my camera can pick that up. But just a very nice kit. I want to thank Ole Nail Supply for sending me this kit to share with you. I wish I could have gotten this video up a little sooner, but with the holidays and being away and just busy, I wasn't able to until now, but I'm so happy I can share this with you. Such a great kit, you guys. If you're a professional and want to try out the Acrygels, try out this kit, because you get a lot of different shades, and then you can decide which one is your favorite, and then you can go from there. But I love this product. It goes on so nice. I love the fact that it is self-leveling and it is camouflage colors, because it's really hard to find really nice camouflage pinks, and they've done it. There is so many nice ones, and even the white and the crystal one. And I also have one more thing to show you. So I was sent the flyer, and this says boost your income with Maggie's, and they're these little cute little, like an embellishment almost to apply, and it just tells a little bit more about that and how you can boost your income with these. I really want to thank everybody for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate that you do support my channel, and it's a new year, so new things to come. So thanks everybody for watching, and if you could please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next one.